Let's see.
No, I have to eat.
Oh, go wash your hands. Oh. Oh.
Wash your hands. Is it done? Nope.
Oh.
So I have to. Mama, this is so good, Mama. Mama. Mommy.
Yes, ma'am.
This is so good.
Is it good?
I need arm warmers.
You need arm warmers? What about a jacket?
I only need arm warmers. I have to get my ornament I made for on the tree.
Oh, is it in the car?
No.
No?
It's hanging up in the kitchen. It's really full.
Daisy, are you happy?
In the way so I can't get to it. Get the big. My ornament I made for on the tree. Where is it?
Daisy! Come here. Come here. Come here. Daisy! Daisy, come on.